FCT Nova, we love having the journey, hosting the journey, because we feel that it's the perfect opportunity to showcase what we do here, to have people from all over the world come and experience real life challenges with us, to work with our professionals, our researchers, our professors, and actually see the type of work that we're developing here. For Portugal, I think the journey is a valuable experience for the participants because they get to see the real challenges that we face in terms of sustainability, and also they get to see everything good that we have to offer.